So here we have the Euro CB Colorado. In this section we have down here volume, squelch, mic gain and RF gain, which are both turned up. Got SWR Cal and Delta Tune. In this section there's a three-way switch for Cal, SWR and signal RF, which controls the meter. Got AM FM switch, noise blanket, ENL, channel 19 and PA, and the channel selector and that. I like the radio, but the radio has 120 channels, just like the Pacific that I was just shown earlier. And then again, it involves pressing these buttons in and out. But basically, with these in, it's high band, and with them out, it's mid band. Sorry. And with this one on, like that would make it back into a low band. So yeah, the rig looks a little bit like a Cybernet Beta 3000, just a bit, or maybe the Lafayette EF105, I think they were called. I think them were sideband anyhow, so let's say they just look a little bit like them. But yeah, it's quite a nice CB. The CB came in a box, which is that there. As you can see, the CB was a French CB.